there! Have you ever spent a really hot summer and the more the sun is heating you up and the more you're sweating, the tighter your underwear feels? Well, thankfully we have a solution now. Introducing B2body using Askin fabrics. Askin fabrics is a breathable material with moisture wicking fabric, so that way you're not feeling that sweaty tightness that you get over the course of the day from really, really hot days. It works out great for the days that you go out and have fun, but also is really fun for just spending time indoors and relaxing. In fact, it's so lightweight and breathable that you're able to just walk around and feel like you're not wearing anything at all. The underwear is a relaxed fit with a hidden button fly. It's super stretchy and has easy access. We offer from sizes small to 6 extra large. This is a large, and as you can tell, it goes a long way. All-day comfort for every single man's size, though we do recommend that you order one size up just to keep everything nice and loose. Each pair of underwear is 4 pairs to 1 pack.